Only 40 days left until Samsung's big Unpacked event on February 25th, where the Galaxy S26 series takes the spotlight, and the buzz has never been bigger. We've seen some mind-blowing AI features teased earlier, and now fresh leaks and insider info are dropping almost daily. And if that wasn't enough, early whispers about the Galaxy S27 Ultra are already stirring excitement for next year. Make sure to hit that like button and subscribe so you don't miss any updates. First up, the AI privacy display. The S26 Ultra is set to be the world's first phone with this technology, and if you caught our previous video, you know how cool it is. But here's the twist. It's not exclusive to the Ultra. Thanks to some digging in One UI 8.5 by Josh, we now know this feature will likely be available across the entire Galaxy S26 lineup. Basically, once it's enabled, nobody around you will be able to peek at your screen from the sides. Can you imagine not having to worry about prying eyes? That's a huge win for everyday privacy. And Samsung isn't stopping there. They're also introducing some new AI tricks like Now Nudges, which suggest actions and relevant info based on what's on your screen. Think Google's Magic Q, but Samsung's version. Pretty neat, right? Then there's Browsing Assist, which lets you summarize or translate web pages, or even ask questions about an article if something's unclear. It's like taking Samsung Internet's web summary to the next level. And while some of the other AI features we've seen before are back, they're likely smarter and faster this time. The big headline, though, is still the AI privacy display coming to all S26 models. Finally, Samsung isn't holding the best stuff back for just the Ultra. That's exactly what they need to compete with the iPhone 17 base model. And speaking of competition, Samsung is also giving the camera a much-needed upgrade across the S26 lineup. It's now confirmed that the S26 phones will shoot photos in 24 megapixels by default. Just flip a toggle in the camera assistant. That's right, higher resolution without extra hassle. And according to Universe, the processing time is about 3 seconds per 24 metropie photo. Not instant, but fast enough. And the detail is way more noticeable than the standard 12 metropie shots. On top of that, Samsung is adding APB codec support for uncompressed RAW video and a new noise reduction protocol specifically for videos. So if you care about video quality, this is a big step up. Performance-wise, the Galaxy S26 Ultra with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 5 for Galaxy chip is looking very strong. The benchmarks are slightly higher than the regular Snapdragon 8 Gen 5, which makes sense since this version is overclocked. Ice Universe also mentions we'll see even better numbers with the upcoming 4.7 GHz variant. And for those getting the Exynos 2600 model, the scores are competitive too, sitting in the same league as the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5. Of course, we'll be testing everything live once the phones drop, so make sure you're subscribed. You won't want to miss it. Finally, for anyone skipping the S26 and eyeing the S27 Ultra, some early camera leaks have surfaced. The main sensor will be new but similar in size to the current HP2. Not a full 1-inch sensor like some expected. But there's more. A new ultra-wide sensor and a new front camera are also coming, meaning major hardware upgrades are on the horizon for 2027. So, there you have it. One of the biggest features of the S26 Ultra, the AI privacy display, is coming to the entire lineup. The benchmarks are strong, and Samsung is finally making smart moves in both AI and camera tech. What do you think about these upgrades? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to hit subscribe so you don't miss our full hands-on tests once the devices are out. I'll catch you guys later. Peace out!